You are welcome to Learning and Earning series with Tyro Post IQ. Today we are going to look at another derivative. We have to solve more examples so that we can master some of the questions regarding differentiation of polynomial. Here we have 4s raised to power 3 plus 3s squared plus s plus 1 all over x. Indeed, there are two methods that we can use to handle this type of question. One, we can use the power rule, or we can use the quotient rule. But we are going to use the power rule because of time. So whenever we are given this type of question, the first thing we have to do is for us to divide all through by this denominator, which is x. So then we are going to have x 4s raised to power 3 over s plus 3s squared over x plus x over s plus 1 all over x. So then we are going to have x into this guy. We are going to have 4x squared plus s here. We are going to have 3s plus 1, because s divided by s is 1, then plus 1 all over x. Now from here we can now find the derivative of 4s squared plus 3s plus 1 plus 1 all over x. Here we have to apply the law of indices. According to law of indices, when we have 1 all over x, we can write it as s raised to power minus 1. And when we have 1 over x squared, we can also write it as x raised to power minus x. Okay? For this reason, it means that we can also write this one as 4s squared plus 3s plus 1 plus s raised to power minus 1. Now, we want to find the derivative of 4x squared plus 3s plus 1 plus s raised to power minus 1. This time around, we don't need to break down, because in my previous video, I've already explained how you can differentiate this. So that means our final answer now will be dy all over the s of this function now will be 2 times 4 will give us 8x, then 2 minus 1 will give us ordinary 1, then plus 1 times 3, we say we have a visible 1, it has power. 1 times 3 will be 3, that is, this one is 1 minus 1, and any number raised to power 0 is 1. That is 3 times 1, this one will now be 3. Here we see the derivative of the constant value is equal to 0, since it's not carrying s at the back. Then here now we are going to have minus 1. Here will be s raised to power minus 2. It means our final answer to this question is y all over the s now is equal to 8x plus 3 plus s raised to power minus 2. And we can leave it as maybe is equal to 8x plus 3 plus 1 all over x squared, using the same law of indices. Since we say 1 over s squared is the same thing as s raised to power minus 2, therefore s raised to power minus 2 can also be the same thing as 1 all over x squared. So this is how to solve this question. Whenever you have this question of this kind, first of all divide all through by x. From there, you now differentiate. When we divide s cancel s squared, we are left with 4s squared. S cancel s squared, we are left with ordinary x. S divided by s is 1. Then this one doesn't have any s, it's 1 all over x. From there, according to law of indices, we can write 1 all over s as s raised to power minus 1. From there, we have 4s squared plus 3s plus 1 plus s raised to power minus 1. Then we now, the derivative of this function now is 2 times 4 will give us 8, then 2 minus 1 is 1. Then 1 times 3 is 3, 1 minus 1 is 0. So here we are going to have s raised to power 0, and any number raised to power 0 is 1. So 3 times 1 is still 1. This one is the derivative of a constant value is 0, and s raised to power minus 1, because minus 1 minus 1 will give us minus 2. Then from there we arrive at 8x plus 3 plus s raised to power minus 2. We can leave our answer, or we can leave our answer as dy dx equal to 8x plus 3 plus 1 all over x squared. This is how to find the derivative of this type of question. Example on derivative of using power rules. We have come to the end. In our next class, we are going to look at the use of chain rule. Thank you. Stay tuned. Subscribe. subscribe so that you don't miss